Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Mr. Abd Albakry. Today we are going to study divisibility, to check divisibility. In order to start of this issue, if we have 8 apples, 8 circles, whatever, and we want to divide them or to distribute them among 2 students, so how many apples each student will take? So each student will take 4. Each student will take 4 apples, so it will be 4. And there is no apples remain, so the remainder equal 0. So the remainder of this apple, when dividing or distributing these apples, dividing by 2 students, the remainder is 0. So we say that 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and the remainder is 0, equals 0. So we say that 8 is divisible by 2, and also by 4, and by 4. This is because the remainder sorry, this is because the remainder equal 0. Also, another example for this, if we divide 48 divide 8, it will be equals 6, and the remainder equal 0. So we say that 48 is divisible by 8, because the remainder equal 0. If 48 is divisible by 8, so then we can say that 48 is a multiple of 8. Okay, so this is the meaning of divisibility. Also, in order to take another example for numbers that is not divisible, for example, if we take 7 apples divided by 3 persons, how many apples each person take? So each person will take 2. Each person will take 2, and there is a remained apple. So here the remainder equals 1. One apple is left. So we say that 7 is not divisible by 3. 7 not divisible by 3. This is because the remainder equals 1. Okay, also 74 dividing by 9 equals, so I know that the closest number that divisible by 9 is 72. The closest number is 72, and 72 divided by 9 is 8, and the remainder the remainder will be 74 minus 72. 74 minus 72 equals 2. So the remainder equals 2. So we say, we can deduce that 72 is not divisible by 9, not divisible by 9, nor 8. So it's not divisible by 9 or 8. Okay, so divisibility means that the number, or there is no remainder, or the remainder equals what? The remainder equals 0. The remainder equals 0 is the condition that guarantee that a number is divisible by another one. So let's minimize. Okay, thank you so much for now, and see you next video.